Cardinal Scales 190 Targets is a PC-based application that allows the user to download checkweigher presets to a 190 indicator. The PC software stores a small database of presets. As those presets change, they may easily be updated from one central location without the need to physically change the values on the 190 indicator. 190 Target software allows you to create under, except, over target presets, which may be selected from a list and then easily managed as checkweighing targets need to be updated. In this video, we will be covering setup of a connection to an indicator, creating and editing checkweigher presets, sending the presets to a 190, and selecting the correct loaded preset values using the 190 keypad. A connection can be made to the 190 via Ethernet, either wired or Wi-Fi, or serial connection. With 190 targets open, click the icon with the two gears at the top of the window. To add a new 190 indicator, click the green plus sign, name the device, click OK, set the appropriate parameters, click Save. A 190 connection can be edited from this same screen by selecting the appropriate device, modifying the necessary settings, clicking Save. The indicators that have been set up in the system can now be selected from the drop-down menu at the top of the window. If a facility has multiple 190s communicating via Ethernet, this allows the PC operator to load presets into many indicators without having to physically be at the 190. To create a new preset range, click the green plus sign, enter a description for the preset, enter the lower and upper limits for the accept range, click OK to save the new preset. To edit an existing preset, click the correct row for the preset to be modified, click the edit icon, change the desired settings, click OK to save the changes. To send the desired presets to the indicator, check the presets to be sent to the 190. Note the presets are ordered as they were clicked. To modify the order these will show up in the 190, select the preset, click up or down. Once the order is correct, verify the correct device is selected, click Send Items to 190. A message window should verify the presets have been transferred. An error message most likely means there is either a communication setting or wiring issue. Be sure the 190 is set for checkweigher mode. See the 190 manual for instructions on how to do this. Currently, the 190 is set for preset 1, which is 75 to 87 pounds for the acceptable range. Briefly press the function key, press the tare enter key, press the function key twice to change to preset 3, press the tare enter key. Now the 190 is set for preset 3, which has an accept range of 55 to 55.9 pounds. For more information on using 190 targets, visit our website at www.cardinalscale.com or call us at 866-254-8261.